You've probably seen these crazy 3D videos all over YouTube Shorts. Channels like Zack D Films have turned this style into a massive business, with millions of subscribers and billions of views. And creating videos like this usually takes a whole team, expensive software, and a lot of time. But what if I told you that you can create this entire style using AI, without paying for expensive 3D software? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it, step by step, using free AI tools. For this tutorial, I'm using the free version of ChatGPT, but you can use whichever AI model works best for you. Now, to get started, we need a master prompt. I've already prepared one for you, and you can find it through the link in the description. Just copy the entire prompt, leaving out the very last part because that's not part of the actual prompt. Then paste it into ChatGPT and hit enter. ChatGPT will give you 10 viral ideas to choose from. Pick any idea you like, copy it, and paste it back into ChatGPT. This time, ChatGPT will turn that idea into a highly polished script for your video. Now, we need to turn that script into a voiceover. I'm using 11 Labs for this, but you can use any voice generation tool you prefer, like Fish Audio or Cartesia. Choose a voice that fits your content, generate the voiceover, and once that's done, we're ready to create the visuals. Go back to ChatGPT and simply type images. ChatGPT will generate all the image prompts for your video in one go. Now, here's where we're going to save a lot of time. You might think we're going to copy these prompts one by one and generate every image separately. Nope, we're not doing that. Instead, copy the Flow Multi-Image Director prompt from the document and open Google Flow. Turn on Agent Mode, then click on Agent Instructions. Paste the prompt you copied from the document, click Done, and then copy all of the image prompts from ChatGPT and paste them into Google Flow. Adjust the image settings according to your preference. Since we're creating shorts, I'm using a 9:1:6 aspect ratio. Now hit Generate, and Flow will generate all 14 images in one go. That saves a ridiculous amount of time compared to doing them manually. And if this little trick just saved you some time, hit that like button. Once all the images are ready, it's time to animate them. Go back to ChatGPT and type Next. It will generate the image-to-video prompts for your entire sequence. Copy the first prompt and go back to Google Flow. First, turn Agent Mode off, then open the video settings and adjust them like I did. This helps save credits while still giving us good results. Now paste your prompt, add the first image to the prompt box, and hit Generate. Once that's running, copy the second prompt, add the second image, and generate that one too. And instead of sitting around waiting for Flow to finish, let's use another tool at the same time. Open Arena AI, click Generate Video, upload your image, and paste the same image-to-video prompt that ChatGPT generated for you. Let's also try Qwen AI. Once you open it, follow essentially the same process you just used with Arena. Upload the image, paste the prompt, and generate. Using multiple tools means you can create more videos each day without burning through the credits of a single platform. Once all the videos are generated, we've reached the final step, the editing. For this tutorial, I'm using CapCut, but you can use any editor you're comfortable with. I've already done the editing here, so let's quickly break down what I did. First, I added all the voiceovers to the timeline and removed the unnecessary pauses. Then I added all the generated videos and matched them to the narration by trimming clips and adjusting their speed where needed. I also added some simple transitions to connect everything together. And that's basically the entire editing workflow. Nothing too complicated. Finally, export the video. And this is what we ended up creating from scratch. Check it out.
Imagine if every human on Earth suddenly lost the ability to sleep. At first, it would feel amazing. No exhaustion, no bedtime. 24 hours a day to work, play, and do anything you want. But after the first day, something strange would happen. People would become increasingly confused. Their reaction times would slow down. Mistakes would pile up. Then the hallucinations would begin. Drivers would see things that weren't there. Pilots would struggle to focus. Doctors would make dangerous mistakes. Factories would start shutting down. Traffic accidents would explode. Entire cities would become chaotic. And the terrifying part? Your body still needs sleep, even if you don't feel tired. Without it, your brain starts losing control of basic functions. After several days, people would become severely impaired, and the world wouldn't simply become more productive. It would start falling apart. because sleep isn't wasted time.
So, that's how you can create Zack D Film-style 3D shorts using AI without paying for expensive tools. We started with an idea, turned it into a script and voiceover, generated the visuals, animated them, and put everything together into a finished video. If you try this workflow yourself, let me know how your first video turns out. And if you want more practical AI workflows like this, check out one of the videos on screen. I'll see you in the next one.